I tested banana peels, coffee grounds, and fermented rice water on my plants. One promised a huge growth spurt, but another killed my plant completely. Here's what worked and what was a total bust. I used 4 spider plants to test these kitchen scraps. One was the control with only water. The others got banana peel tea, coffee grounds, and the viral hack, fermented rice water. The experiment begins now. After 30 days, the results were shocking. The control plant with just water was perfectly healthy. The banana peel tea plant looked exactly the same. No help, no harm. But the coffee grounds plant was a failure. Its leaves yellowed as the grounds blocked water. And the fermented rice water? A total tragedy. The plant died from foul-smelling soil and complete root rot. So why the failure? The rice water suffocated the roots, causing fatal rot. The coffee grounds compacted the soil, blocked water, and their nitrogen isn't immediately available. The banana tea was simply too diluted to make a difference. In the end, the best plant got nothing but water. The takeaway is that viral kitchen hacks are risky. Scraps aren't useless, but they must be fully composted for indoor plants. Sometimes it's best to be skeptical and just leave your plants alone. What do you think? Have you tried these and gotten different results? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more gardening myths tested, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for reading.